Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video of the 420D Msport GRAN COUPE. As always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the car whilst I talk you through some of the features and options. Then I'm going to slowly make my way around whilst pointing out some more of those nice features on this GRAN COUPE. And then I'll take a seat inside the vehicle where once we're there we will of course go through some of the major talking points and features of this stunning coral red Dakota interior. So the exterior of the car is presented in the fantastic mineral grey, and alongside that of course we've finished that off with the full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, which is all fitted in-house. And to really complement that mineral grey, we've finished that with the satin and gloss black. The vehicle itself comes equipped with some very nice optional extras, one of those being the Msport Plus pack. So you do have the much larger front and rear end brake option, privacy glass, Harman Kardon and heated leather seats, all of which we'll take a close-up look at as we make our way around. So at the front you'll see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills, and of course the very nice gloss black air breathers on both front wings. So taking a close-up look at the alloy wheels, which are the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels, you'll be able to see they are in absolutely fantastic condition and do have the Pirelli P0 tyres all the way around. And sitting behind them there you will notice those blue M brake, which are not only larger in the disc size, you do also get a more aggressive and more larger stopping capacity brake pad compound, which is of course always a nice positive thing. Having more brake stopping distance is always a positive. Down the side of the vehicle we have the satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars and the Mperformance decals. As I mentioned at the start of the video, the interior is that fantastic coral red Dakota leather, as you can see inside there. It comes with the heated seat function and the electric lumbar adjustment, and we have the superb Harman Kardon surround sound. And of course everything else we'll cover when I make my way around and take a seat inside the car. Privacy glass, as you can see there, and you'll also see the Isofix rear bench with the centre folding armrest in the rear of the vehicle. Alongside that you have the Msport black headlining, which of course really does just finish that interior off very nicely. Once again we'll just take a quick look at the 19-inch alloy wheels before we head round to the rear of the vehicle, where as you can see there we have the gloss black rear boot spoiler and gloss rear diffuser. Another nice tweak and feature on this vehicle is the rear facing reversing camera, which of course you'll have a display of very shortly. Automatic opening and closing boot, which comes as standard on the GRAN COUPE variant of the 4 Series, and an extremely large luggage capacity, one of the largest for its class. Split folding seat option on this vehicle, and there as you can see very nicely presented the genuine BMW floor mats that will come with the vehicle. And we'll quickly close that boot down, head round to the other side where you can see just how clean and tidy this vehicle is and how nicely presented the mineral grey body colour works with all of our exterior styling pack. So now I'm going to head on inside the vehicle because there is yet still a lot of very special features to get through, and of course I want to show you around this very nice interior a little bit further. So now we're sat inside the vehicle, I'll go ahead and start the car up and I'll be able to show you around in a bit more depth. Straight away you'll notice the professional wide navigation and media screen, and we'll go through some of the basic functions and features of that. Media wise you do of course get DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs. Bluetooth for not only telephone as well as audio, and there is of course the satellite navigation screen. Heading back to the main menu, we'll go ahead and quickly show you the service information and service requirements. It's not due a service for 17,000 miles, so plenty of time left yet till the next service is due. The service history wise, we've got full BMW service history, as you can see there currently on the screen. The vehicle itself has covered just over 35,000 miles. Also on board this vehicle we have the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with these lovely flappy pedals, cruise control, the speed limiter option, the voice and volume controls, all situated on this very nice multi-function Msport steering wheel. And of course we'll quickly just show you that rear facing reversing camera, which also incorporates front and rear parking sensors. So as always, I do hope you've enjoyed this little walk around video. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to drop them down below in the comments, where of course I will be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Also guys, down below in the description will also be all of the relevant contact information regarding finding prices, and of course all of our fantastic finance options we are able to offer all in-house here for this vehicle, along with all of our other fantastic examples we have here at Your Next Car, all in stock, all ready to drive away the same day should you choose to. Thanks for watching, take care, goodbye.